Hey guys, Joe again here. Take a little walk around the shop, show you what we got and we're working on. So this is kind of like our delivery room over here, slash photo studio. A lot of cool things we'll be doing in this in the future. We got a couple cars in here. This car was paint corrected and ceramic coated. Actually is up for sale now as well. So if you're looking for a really awesome Hellcat that's been lowered, bigger wheels, upgraded, this one's definitely your choice. As you can tell, tons and tons of gloss throughout the car, full paint correction, ceramic coating. Next up over here with a Dodge Viper, obviously in for a wrap removal. So as you can see, this customer had this previously wrapped. Actually was a very, very good wrap, but no longer likes the wrap. So we are going throughout the whole entire vehicle, removing this matte wrap off and returning it to the original color of orange for that customer. So let's go next door and see what we got going on outside and next door. It's a little bit rainy today, but got some cars out here as well. This S3 here is coming into the shop for a paint correction and ceramic coating. Just did the window tint on the full vehicle, as well as a front bumper PPF. So this will get a full multi-stage paint correction, a 5-year ceramic pro ceramic coating, caliper coating, wheel coating, window coating, and all the trim coated as well. We also will be vinyl wrapping the roof black and tinting the headlights and taillights on this one as well. So let's go look and see what the guys got going on next door. Got a side-by-side sitting out here as well, all cleaned up, ready to come inside for a ceramic coating. On this one here, I think I mentioned in my previous video, it's ready for a couple days. We'll kind of take our time with it. We're going to put ceramic coating on all the plastics, all the metals, the seats, the suspension, the rims, everything on this will get ceramic coated. So a lot easier when you're going out and playing in the mud. So next in the shop here, we got a Ford Mustang in for a full paint correction, ceramic coating. Wheel coating, caliper coating, all this nasty scratches and swirls in here. Matt will be jumping on the buffer and getting those taken care of before Kyle probably does the ceramic coating on that. So as you can see, we always do work on a lot of exotic cars, but we love to work on your daily drivers. A beautiful Chevy pickup truck, brand spanking new over here. Kyle, we did a single stage paint correction on this one. Did about a single stage, some spots a multi-stage paint correction on this. And we did a 5-year ceramic coating on this one as well as the window coating. All this trim, all this plastics are all coated, as well as the wheels. Next up over here is a Porsche convertible. This one received a lifetime ceramic coating package. Wheels, obviously calipers, windows, and then also the convertible top. Very quintessential to make sure you put a ceramic coating on your convertible top. Otherwise moisture does seep through the top and will allow some type of mold intrusion inside the vehicle. So this one is all complete. We're just waiting for the customer to come pick it up. Over here you got Kyle working over here pretty intricately on a brand new GT3RS. You know, a lot of shops hope and wish that they can get a car like this in. Thank you to Lamborghini Sarasota. One of their clients was referred to us, and he brought this vehicle up to us from Fort Myers. Cool thing about this client is this car came just like this from the factory. We still have all the factory tags, all the factory stickers on it. We'll actually be delivering this back to the customer in our race car trailer. So we actually have a fully built custom race car trailer for delivering cars like this back to the customers when we're done. So if you're outside of our general close area of 10 to 15 miles, no worries. Give us a call. We can transport your vehicle here, so all my professionals here can take care of it and get it back over to you once we're done. Last but certainly not least is this beautiful backdraft Shelby Cobra. So this car obviously is made in South Africa. We're doing a multi-stage paint correction and ceramic coating on it. Gorgeous, gorgeous car, gonna take a lot of work. Besides that, we do have a mobile unit as well. Today we're doing a full detail service on a Chris Craft at a marina, as well as we're doing a boat wash out on Longboat Key, as well as full details on vehicles as well. So if you need any mobile services, give us a call on that as well. And then we do travel too. So we have some jobs booked all the way down to the Bahamas, St. Croix, New Hampshire, other areas around the state and the country. So give us a call. We can definitely help you out. Thank you and have a good night. We'll talk to you soon.